Because of the infighting within the ruling Congress government, issues pertaining to farmers has been neglected by this Congress government. Sugarcane growers are fighting on the street from last 2 months, but till now there is no clear solution for this protest. Maize growers, the demand of the maize growers was very simple. They were requesting state government to open the procurement centers. Even this did not happen, because of which, even though central government had fixed 2,400 rupees per quintal, since the procurement centers were not opened, the farmers, maize growers were forced to sell it for 1,500, 1,600 per quintal for the middlemen. And due to the recent floods, farmers across Karnataka, Gulbarga, Raichur, Kalburgi, Belagavi, Vijaypur, across Karnataka, since there was a very big crop loss, they were demanding proper compensation. Even that issue has not been resolved. And the revenue minister had assured that the farmers will get compensation within 1 month, but now already 90 days has been over. But till now there is no compensation to the farmers. So taking all this issue, Bharatiya Janata Party, we are protesting here today at Belgavi.
Does the BJP have the moral rights to fight for the farmers?
See, the Chief Minister as well as the cabinet colleagues have raised this question. We will give a befitting reply on the floor of the House. How the Congress government has failed on all fronts in last 2.5 years. Because of the infighting within the ruling Congress party, how Karnataka has been affected. We will discuss everything on the floor of the House.